Did you know that Americans spend over $20 billion on Easter celebrations every year? From candy-filled baskets to adorable plush toys, the right Easter basket can make the holiday even more special. But with so many options, which ones are truly the best? Stick around because today, we're counting down the 25 best Easter baskets in 2025, and the number one pick is an absolute must-have. We start with number 25, the Easter Chocolate Candy and Sweets Gift Basket, which is for $39. Let's kick things off with a sweet treat. The Easter Chocolate Candy and Sweets Gift Basket is loaded with golden caramel popcorn, chocolate-dipped grahams, carrot-shaped chocolates, jelly jewels, and a milk chocolate bunny. It's the perfect indulgence for Easter, making every bite a moment of pure joy. Remember, all links to the Easter baskets are in the description below. At number 24, we have the Joy-In Basket for Easter Stuffed for $16. Who says Easter baskets have to be all about candy? The Joy-In Basket for Easter Stuffed is filled with cuddly companions, including an adorable bunny, fluffy chicks, a playful frog, a soft sheep, and 2 Easter eggs. It's an excellent choice for little ones who love plush toys and want a basket they can enjoy long after Easter is over. At number 23, we have the Joy-In Wooden Egg Shakers Maracas for $15. Want to add a musical twist to Easter morning? The Joy-In Wooden Egg Shakers Maracas are beautifully crafted and filled with soft sand, creating soothing rustling sounds when shaken. Perfect for little hands, these egg shakers help kids develop rhythm and auditory skills while adding a fun and interactive element to their Easter celebrations. At number 22, we have the Curable Party Favors Easter Basket for $10. This one's perfect for party planners. The Curable Party Favors Easter Basket includes an assortment of squishy toys that are great for goodie bags and Easter baskets. These playful treasures are designed to captivate kids' attention and bring joy to any celebration, making them a budget-friendly way to add excitement to the holiday. At number 21, we have the newbie prefilled Easter eggs. Easter egg hunts just got even more exciting. The newbie prefilled Easter eggs come with tiny bunny plushies inside, turning every discovery into a magical moment. At $27, this set is a great way to surprise kids and add an extra layer of fun to Easter festivities. At number 20, we have the Woobles Bunny Crochet Kit for $30. Looking for a unique Easter gift? The Woobles Bunny Crochet Kit is a great option for teens and beginners, offering step-by-step tutorials to create an adorable bunny. With all the essentials included, this kit makes for a fun and rewarding craft project during the Easter season. At number 19, we have the Liziazani Easter Basket. Not all Easter baskets are for kids. The Liziazani Easter Basket is a stylish seersucker basket perfect for teens who want something a bit more sophisticated. At just $9, it's a chic and reusable upgrade from the usual plastic baskets. At number 18, we have the Allah Easter Basket for boys for $13. A sturdy, spacious basket that makes collecting Easter goodies even more fun. The Allah Easter Basket for boys has plenty of room for eggs, candies, and toys, making it a great choice for kids who love a big haul on Easter morning. At number 17, we have the Les Mo Easter Bunny Basket. Want a personal touch? The Les Mo Easter Bunny Basket is customizable with a name, making it a memorable Easter keepsake. At $9, it's an affordable and thoughtful way to make Easter morning extra special. At number 16, we have the Haba Musical Eggs for $30. Shake up Easter with the Haba Musical Eggs, a set of 5 colorful wooden eggs that each create a unique sound. Perfect for toddlers, these eggs turn playtime into a sensory experience and make a fun addition to any Easter basket. At number 15, we have the Jellycat Bashful Bunny. Soft, snuggly, and absolutely adorable, the Jellycat Bashful Bunny is a 12-inch plush that's perfect for cuddles. At $28, it's a wonderful Easter gift, especially when paired with a matching Jellycat book for a heartwarming surprise. At number 14, we have the Hallmark Easter Canvas Tote Bag. Sometimes, simplicity is best. The Hallmark Easter Canvas Tote Bag is a stylish and reusable alternative to traditional baskets. At just $6, it's a practical option for carrying Easter treats while also serving as a cute everyday tote. At number 13, we have the Hershey's Solid Milk Chocolate Bunny. A true Easter classic, the Hershey's Solid Milk Chocolate Bunny is rich, creamy, and irresistible. At $11, It's a must-have for any Easter basket, with the only question being, do you eat the ears first or save them for last? At number 12, we have Cadbury Creme Eggs. Love them or hate them, Cadbury Creme Eggs are an Easter tradition. With their creamy fondant filling and chocolate shell, these treats bring nostalgia and deliciousness in every bite. At just $4, they're a budget-friendly way to satisfy your Easter sweet tooth. At number 11, we have the homely wooden egg shakers. Brightly painted with charming ladybugs and flowers, the homely wooden egg shakers add a fun musical element to Easter. At $10, they make a joyful and interactive addition to any Easter basket. At number 10, we have Haribo Easter Gummy Bears. Take a break from chocolate and enjoy the fruity goodness of Haribo Easter Gummy Bears. At $9, these chewy treats come in 5 delicious flavors, making them a colorful and fun addition to any Easter basket. At number 9, we have the Joy & Toy Plastic Easter Eggs. A must-have for any Easter egg hunt, the Joy & Toy Plastic Easter Eggs set includes vibrant eggs that can be filled with candy, toys, or surprises. At $18, they offer endless fun for kids during the Easter season. At number 8, we have the Ferrero Rocher Gourmet Chocolate Bunny. Elevate Easter treats with the Ferrero Rocher Gourmet Chocolate Bunny. This $10 set includes 13 individually wrapped hazelnut chocolates inside a bunny-shaped case. Just be warned, sharing might not be an option. At number 7, we have the Silk Triangle Easter Burlap Bags. For a rustic touch to Easter egg hunts, the Silk Triangle Easter Burlap Bags are a stylish and practical choice. At $16, these durable bags with sturdy handles make collecting Easter goodies easy and fun. At number 6, we have Reese's Easter Peanut Butter Miniatures. Peanut butter and chocolate are a perfect combination, and Reese's Easter Peanut Butter Miniatures deliver just that. At $15, these pastel-wrapped treats are perfect for stuffing eggs or enjoying straight from the bag. At number 5, we have the Sunny Chick Bamboo Easter Baskets. Simple, charming, and beautifully crafted, the Sunny Chick Bamboo Easter Baskets add an elegant touch to Easter gift giving. At $28, they're perfect for a cozy and stylish Easter presentation. At number 4, we have the Zen Blue Co. Plush Easter Bunny Basket. With extra long floppy ears and a soft pastel design, the Zen Blue Co. Plush Easter Bunny Basket is as adorable as it is functional. At $10, it's a delightful way to carry Easter treats in style. At number 3, we have the Personalization Universe Hand-Woven Easter Basket. Make Easter personal with this hand-woven Easter basket. At $35, this customizable wicker basket is designed to last for years, making it a cherished Easter tradition. At number 2, we have the Peeps Easter Marshmallow Chicks. Soft, sugary, and iconic, Peeps Easter Marshmallow Chicks are a must-have for any Easter celebration. At $9, they bring a touch of nostalgia and festive sweetness to the holiday. And right on top, at number 1, we have the Oya-Asket Easter Bunny Baskets. The number 1 Easter basket for 2025 is the Oya-Asket Easter Bunny Basket. At $21, this stylish cotton rope basket with adorable bunny ears is both durable and festive, making it the perfect choice for Easter surprises. Which Easter basket was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Up on Top for more videos like this one. Happy Easter!